Hello and welcome back to Vcode CSI Vit-Ap YouTube channel, guys. So once again we are back with another Python programming question. So today's question going to be very interesting. So without any further delay, let's jump into our question. Yeah. What is the output of the following code? So I'll be just typing the code. You just stay tuned with it. So A, that is equals to true, and a colon, and then B, that is equals to false, and colon, and then C, that is also false. And I'm gonna be execute if condition here. So if A or B and C, then print capital C, yes, I. Okay, then or else print print small c, yes, I. So this is our code, and you just focus on the code. I have done a mistake fortunately, so find out that mistake and comment in my comment section. I'll give you 5 seconds, just figure out what mistake I have done. So it's 3, 2, 1, and go. I'm running the code. You'll be getting what mistake I have done now. Yeah, see here, I have done this mistake, syntax mistake. So at the first, this is a boolean value, right? True or false. So this A is a boolean value, this B is a boolean value, this C is a boolean value. And in Python we don't write such a things, we don't write columns here, right? Further, in case of conditions like if conditions, else condition, or defining a function, we'll use these columns, but we don't use columns for a variable or a boolean or integer. Okay, so if I remove these columns from here, the code will be executed in a perfect manner. See, I'm running the code. See, we got an output, right? CSI. So columns are not at all encouraged at these positions. Okay, so that's a simple logic, guys. That's it for this code. I hope you understand this logic. Let's meet in another video, guys. Thank you.